Here's a beautiful 1970 Ford Mustang Boss 302. Beautiful yellow color with black striping. Has a 302 Windsor with Cleveland heads. So this is one fast car for sure. There's the shield in the back for preventing the interior to heat up like an oven. That's a very handy thing considering the extent of the glass here. Very, very nice interior. Upholstery is excellent. This has 4-speed manual with a console. Nice looking dash. Everything is top notch here. Original wheels. And of course power brakes and steering. Just absolutely immaculate, and great air scoop sitting right on top of the air cleaner, right through the hood. Perfect condition. There's always a debate about which is better, the 1969 or the 1970 Mustang, but certainly a contender.